Harry's in a helicopter. Fire pump. Let's get the vibe right first. Harry's in a helicopter, way above the desert, shooting at the ground below with an automatic weapon, and he's so high that he's not sure what he's even shooting at. Sergeant Major told him it's probably Afghanistan. And Harry's so brave, he's so courageous, he's been bragging all about it in today's newspapers. It didn't feel like murder when he sent him to the grave. It was just like he was playing a computer game. People say my songs are simple and that they lack depth and meaning. I get criticised for singing about exactly what I'm thinking. Well, here's a message that I haven't hidden in a song. War is bad and killing is wrong. Yep. You get to cheer there, everyone. That's the most complicated guitar line in any Beans and Toast song, so it's good when you cheer when I do it as well. Thanks, guys. That makes me want to go home and practice. Harry's at a birthday party, dressed up as a Nazi. Harry's getting blown by a stripper in a jacuzzi, and Harry didn't inherit anything from his father's side. Oh, poor Prince Charles will get missed out when dear old mother dies. But Harry's photogenic, he's media conscious, he pretends to understand the wants and needs of the public. Way up in the palace, His Royal Highness, but explaining from the bottom that he doesn't have the foggiest. People say my songs are political, slightly controversial. I don't do it on purpose, I just say what I want to. I just wish that everyone was equal and free, and I can't see the point of the monarchy. I've got to tune this fucking guitar. Let's get Bobby Banjo back up. Where is he? Bobby! I wanted to believe that I can tune a guitar by myself, but